What's up, squeegee slingers and water-fed pole wiggling wagglers? Welcome once again. We're in the Tradman workshop on a very cold and windy Scottish evening, and tonight we're going to be talking about a product I absolutely love and I keep it on me at all times. Stay tuned. Okay folks, so yes indeed, today we're talking about a product I absolutely love and just honestly could not live without. It's great stuff, and it's called Unger RubOut. Now what does this product actually do? Well, what I'll do is I'll bring it up on screen now so you can have a look at it while we're talking about it. So Unger RubOut, it comes in a 500 milliliter bottle. It's a professional cleaner for the hard water stains, but it also can remove rust stains, mineral deposits, lime scale, and soap residue, or otherwise known as soap scum. So it does so much stuff, and just in a little bit we're going to bring up some footage of a previous video that actually demonstrates just how good this product is, and we'll show you some before and after pictures as well. So if you're trying to get those windows as basically as good as humanly possible, almost back to perfection, and you want to get all those little bits off the glass or there's stains on the frames that you want to get rid of, this product will really help you out. So all the links will be in the description below to this product, so if you like it, you like what it can do, just hit that link and it'll take you straight through to the product and you can have it within a matter of days. So I've got some tips for you guys on using this stuff. Now my first tip would be to actually put this into a different bottle. Now why would you ask that? Well, this is quite a wide bottle. It's not overly easy to kind of keep in your pouch. It's not awfully convenient. So what I do is I actually use you can use a sports bottle, anything like that, just something that's easier to take in and out, perhaps a bit shorter or a bit thinner, anything like that. Just something that you can slot in your traditional pouch, and it's much easier to take that in and out than it is a big square bottle. So that'd be tip number one, is to put what you can of this into a smaller, thinner bottle in your pouch. That's tip number one. Tip number two for using the Unger RubOut is how to actually rub it into the glass or the frames. Now, in the picture on Window Cleaning Warehouse's website, you'll see a demonstration of them with a cloth. Now you can use that, it's quite powerful stuff, so you could get away with just using a microfiber cloth. But actually something I've found works much better is a bronze wool pad. Now we'll bring that up on screen now for you as well, so you can see what I'm talking about. Now we'll leave a link to our bronze wool hand pads in the description below as well. So if you use the Unger RubOut in conjunction with this bronze wool, it works an absolute treat. I've even managed to remove rust stains, concrete stains, things like that off of, ice white PVC framework, and it has come up absolutely beautiful. And like I say, we'll bring up some pictures in just a second. So the Unger RubOut, should you have it? Well, I would say absolutely, most definitely keep this in your pouch at all times. And even if you're a water-fed pole user and you don't do much traditional stuff, I would keep a small bottle of this on you and maybe some bronze wool. Maybe you just keep it in your own pocket, maybe in a trouser pocket, something like that. Just so if you see something on framework, you can take the Unger RubOut out, put a little, you only need a very small amount, on the area that's been affected. Perhaps it's bird mess or it's bug mess, something like that, that just won't come off with pure water. This will definitely take it off. So some of this, a bit of bronze wool, a bit of elbow grease, and these windows and frames come up absolutely wonderful. So highly recommend Unger RubOut. Definitely have this in your vehicle or on your person if you can. So the next thing we're going to discuss is the price of the product and is it worth it? Well, I think we've kind of ascertained that, unless this costs $100 a bottle, then it's going to be pretty much worth it. And it doesn't actually cost that much. Now, if you go into the website, you'll see by the time you've added this into the basket, and you've added on obviously your taxes and shipping and things like that, it comes in about £20. So you'll have to use your online calculator if you live in a foreign country and see how much that would be for you. But £20 for something that will last you quite a few months, because you don't need very much of it, during a working day. I mean, I think the bottle I've changed this into, I think I've used about half of it. So basically one of these, I'm about halfway down, and I would say I've probably had it for about 2 months, 2 to 3 months, something like that. But it all depends how much framework and glass that you're going to use it on, obviously. So if it's just going to be the odd little stain here and there, this will last you a really long time. But if you're the kind of person or company that likes to restore glass and frames just about on every single job, then obviously you're going to need a fair bit more. But for the price of that, £20 for an absolutely outstanding product, I absolutely love it. I've been using it for a good long time, and basically this does just about anything and everything. The only time I've ever had to switch to something else a bit more potent, I think I could count on one hand how many times I've had to use something a bit stronger than this, but usually this will do the trick. So highly recommend the Unger RubOut for you guys if you're into doing frame and glass restoration and getting those frames and glass looking absolutely almost back to perfect for your customers. So thanks very much for tuning in, much appreciated. And I'm going to leave you with some footage at the end here to show you what can be achieved with this product. So thanks very much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, be good, bye for now.